To make this tuna curry, I'm going to be using 3 small onions, which I'm going to be peeling and slicing. You can use 1 large onion. 5 cloves of garlic, also peeled and roughly chopped. I've got 2 small tomatoes, which I'm going to be cutting just roughly. 2 tins of tuna chunks. I'm using the oil from 1 tin of tuna and discarding the oil from the other tin of tuna. Now just pour the oil into the pan. Add the onions and fry until tender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the garlic. I'm using Colmo curry paste and I'm adding 2 tablespoons and just stir that through. Now add your tomatoes and cook those until they're a little bit tender. Add the 2 tins of tuna and stir through. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Once again, just stirring that through. I'm adding 3 sprigs of curry leaves and just mix that all together. If you like a really strong tuna curry, add sliced up fresh chili as well. I'm adding half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Turn the heat down and simmer for 2 minutes. And there you have the most beautiful tasting tuna curry. We like to make it in big batches so that we can divide it up and eat some portions with rice, some with noodles, and some we make into tuna puffs. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And keep an eye out for up-and-coming videos, budget-friendly, tasty foods. Thank you so much for watching.